Hi everyone, I hope you are having a good day today and welcome back to my another video. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you Dynamic Island is available on any iPhone. That is Dynamic Peninsula. Finally, Dynamic Island is now live. I've been waiting for so long this update. Elias Limneos is developer of this tweak. But unfortunately, this Dynamic Peninsula still available for iOS 13 or 14 for now. But if your iPhone compatible with this iOS, you can use the Dynamic Island. This is very good apps to make your old iPhone brings most of the iPhone 14 Pro dynamic effect on all devices notch. But you have to jailbreak your iPhone first. Okay, please copy the Lemneos repo to Sileo or Cydia. Then search tweak Dynamic Peninsula. And install. Okay, after install, please go to the settings and click Dynamic Peninsula and enable. But unfortunately, I don't have devices with iOS 13 or 14. I'm trying on iOS 15, but not working on my device. We have to wait the developer to update it and works for iOS 15 soon. I can see many people with compatible device succeeded install the Dynamic Peninsula. This is so amazing, but this app still develop. We have to wait for the next update. I have successfully installed this app, but not run on my current iOS. I have to wait to use this Dynamic Peninsula. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more update and see you on the next tutorial. Thank you.